Drew Carey! What's happening? Do you want my action? Can I have your Drew Carey! Drew Carey!
What you're watching here is a serial rapist meeting Drew Carey. Watch the pain and anger in his eyes. Oh, man. Man. Those are some crazy-ass bastards. Now you're seeing the mugger beat up Steven Seagal and pull him down the hill and such. And there's Drew Carey running. Drew Carey listens to Slipknot. You're now watching Drew Carey being rolled down the hill. That drunken. Oh my gosh, who's that? Dude, yes, now that's Steven Seagal's butt. Woo! What the heck is that, the mating palace? Alright, we're off in 3,